All right, vocabulary number 11, numbers 11 through 20. We just learned 0 through 10. Do you remember them? Practice. Turn your hand around. All right, now we're ready for 11 through 20. Flicks up. 11 flicks up twice. 11. So does 12. Now my thumb's out, so I can't flick up twice. I'm going to tap down twice. 13. Tuck my thumb in for 14. And open my thumb out for 15. Let's do that again. There's some different ways to sign 16 through 19. I'm going to show you this version, the twisting version, the informal version. We'll work on the more formal version when that comes up, and I don't usually use this other casual version. So I'm going to show you the way that I usually use it, and you can practice the other ones with the videos or through the dictionary if you want to. $16. 17. 18. 19. So again, I make a 6 and I twist it twice into out. 17, same thing. 18, 19. And then 20, this is 2 fingers, not this 2 fingers. These 2 fingers. There's 2 and then they're going to make a little 0. 20. So let's try it all together. Here's a little activity. Think visually. Vertical columns, you start a little higher than normal and you move your hand slightly down to show that it's a column of numbers. I'm going to do the first one. You'll have some more to practice and then you'll have to show me one on your video this week. So here's column 1. I'm going to start at the top and do 11, 20, 15, 14, 15, and 13. See how my hand moved down just a tiny little bit and my hand was still visible the whole time. I didn't end up way down here where you can't see it. Okay, now is time to go do the depiction builder, guess the shape, and then come back when you're ready to keep working.